We're well into September, and it's time to start thinking about getting your home ready for the cozier months ahead. Here are some easy ideas to get your home cozy and ready for fall. Add some minimalist decor. Nothing says a change in seasons like a eucalyptus fall wreath on your front door. And if you're not into traditional fall decor, which can be full of color, then why not try modern minimalist fall decor instead? Try your hand at DIY decorating. Using a wreath form, some burlap fabric and some artificial leaves or flowers, you can make a beautiful fall wreath. You can arrange some beautiful leaves in a vase as a centerpiece to go with the rest of your fall table decor. Use vibrant autumn colors as home accents. One of the easiest ways to add a touch of fall to your home is by using traditional autumn colors as accents. The season calls for colors like deep red, orange, and yellow, so use those as your fall decor inspiration. Accent your home with soft earth tones. And on the other side of that are going with neutrals and earth tones. Earth tones are one of the most popular fall decorating trends in recent years. And they can really just switch up the overall atmosphere in your home. Switch up your window treatments. A simple switch of your window treatment can take your home from summer to fall in one step. Hanging up some new curtains can give you the chic fall living room that you're after. Adding warmer, richer tones will also help to make your space feel more cozy. Style your shelves with fall decor. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to add some autumnal flair to your home, try decorating your shelves. Shelf styling is a good idea no matter what time of the year it is. Get cozy with textiles and texture. As you now know, getting that autumn home vibe isn't really just about adding seasonal decoration. Think plaids, velvets, and rich jewel tones. A nice thick area rug will do. Not only will this make your space more inviting, it can also help keep you warm as the temperature starts to drop at night. Create a seasonal focal point. Whether it's a fireplace, a console table, or even just a blank white wall, every space needs a focal point. And what better way to create a seasonal focal point than by adding a fall-themed wreath to your front door? Warm up your lighting. There's nothing quite like snuggling up by the fireplace with a good book on a chilly fall evening. Try setting up an intimate area complete with blankets and pillows. Or setting up a den area with fairy lights and string lights for reading or relaxing. Make your home smell like autumn. Speaking of candles, now that we're spending more time at home, it's important to make sure that your space smells just as good as it looks. There are a few different ways to get that autumn scent. Decorate your entryway table. Your entryway is the first thing people see when they come to your home, so make sure it's inviting. It's also a perfect opportunity to display a decorative autumn centerpiece.